Hello there, my name is MacHorse, and in this video, I'll show you how to use structure morph.
I'm back. That's right, boys. MacHorse has done it again. He has updated Aperture with some new features, quality of life updates, and bug fixes. This version might as well be called the quality of life update because most of the new features make it easier to edit fixtures and camera movement. Today, we'll be going down the list of new things added to Aperture 1.3.3. So as for improving the camera fixture editing process, there are 3 new main features: Cut Fixture, Replace Fixture, and Interactive Creation Mode. The Cut feature allows you to cut a fixture under the cursor into 2 identical fixtures. It's pretty useful if you want to add extra camera angles with idle fixtures. Simply put, the Cut feature slices your fixture into 2 duplicates of the original. The only difference would be the duration depending on where you cut it. Keep in mind, it doesn't handle path and keyframe features in a special way. So if you cut those types of fixtures, they'll be identical. Next up is the Replace feature. This allows you to replace the selected fixture with a different type of fixture. Same as the Cut feature, it doesn't handle different fixtures properly. It will just replace the current fixtures with a new one. It will copy modifiers, however. Basically, if you want to change a fixture, just select it, click on Replace Fixture, and choose what you want to replace it with. Simple. Alright, now it's time to talk about the real change, interactive mode. Firstly, let's find an area where we can see the whole scene. That should do. Moving on, we'll enter interactive mode by clicking on the top left icon or by pressing I. Next, right-click on the timeline where you want each point to be. You should see a little red line as an indicator. Each line represents a fixture. Repeat the process until you've had as many fixtures as you want. When you're done, just click on the top left icon, or I, again. And now, you have multiple idle fixtures all prepped and ready to be modified. You could do many things. You could manually place fixtures to where they need to be, cut fixtures to create more angles, or maybe replace them with path or keyframe fixtures. Interactive mode is a very helpful tool that can make idle fixtures instantaneously, so you can modify each one to your own standards. Now that's cool and all, but what can you actually do with it? Here's a little demonstration.
Dio! ほう、向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。近づかなきゃ、てめえをぶちのめせないんでな。ほうほう。では十分近づくがよい。
Pretty cool, right? Besides Cut, Replace, and Interactive mode, there are 2 minor workflow enhancement features: Vertical Flight mode and Keyframe Duplication. When you're in the flight mode, if you'll use WASD for movement, you'll notice that the camera would move only on the horizontal axis. It will not go up and down when you look up and down. Meet Vertical Flight mode. If you press V when flight mode is enabled, you'll see that the icon will change to a helicopter instead of a plane. When vertical flight mode is enabled, you'll be able to move vertically when using WASD. That will allow you to create precise linear camera paths that demand vertical movement. The other minor editing feature is keyframe duplication. If you'll select a keyframe in Dope Sheet or Graph View, and click anywhere where there are no keyframes while holding Alt, it will duplicate the currently selected value of the keyframe to that place. Pretty useful since we don't have the multi-keyframe selection yet. Sigh. Wait. And finally, there is one little neat feature which isn't related to camera editing tools. Path Fixture now has much more interpolations which can be chosen for angle and position independently. This should help people who are not ready to work with keyframe fixtures and give more camera capabilities to Path Fixture without imposing the complexity of keyframe fixtures. Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you'd like to read the full list of bug fixes and minor changes, the link is in the description. Otherwise, that is all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.